Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to use the 3x telephoto zoom. The 10 megapixels 3x telephoto optical telephoto lens, which is 69mm equivalent, on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra delivers sharp distortion free portraits and lossless optical zoom. You need to at first open the camera app and here tap this ×3. Now we've got our ×3 zoom, pardon me. And how to use it. You need to just, of course, take a photo. I mean, that's all you can do here. What else can I actually show you? Here we've got our portrait mode, and here you can, of course, tap this 3x and you take portrait photos or normal photos. The same is with the nighttime photos. The same is actually with everything. If you've got any more questions, you can leave them in the comment section down below. Bye!